In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your social media accounts with Notion using a scheduler. Whether you're looking to streamline your content management or simply stay on top of your online presence, integrating social media with Notion can be an excellent way to enhance your productivity. So let's dive right in and unravel the steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll want to open Notion and navigate to the specific page where you want to integrate your social media link. This could be a personal dashboard, a project planner, or even a dedicated social media content calendar you've set up within Notion. If you're new to Notion, you'll find it quite intuitive. Each page can act as a canvas where you can customize your content to fit your needs. Now, once you're on the correct Notion page, the next step is to head over to whichever social media platform you wish to connect. This could be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other you frequently use. Navigate to your profile or a specific post that you want to link within Notion. If you're planning to manage a particular campaign or track user engagement, be sure to pick the right page or post link from your social media account. Once you've selected the pertinent social media link, it's time to copy it. Simply use the copy feature available in your browser, which is often as straightforward as right-clicking on the URL and selecting copy. Or you can use keyboard shortcuts. This link is what you'll be embedding into Notion, serving as a bridge between your social media content and your workspace. With your link copied, let's move back to Notion where you'll paste this link on your selected page. Click on the area where you want the social media link to be. Pasting it here can be as simple as right-clicking and selecting paste, or employing the handy keyboard shortcut. Once pasted, Notion will typically generate a preview of your link, making it a seamless addition to your workspace that's easily accessible whenever you open that page. Remember, this integration not only helps maintain a tidy workspace, but also ensures you can quickly access and manage your social media content without having to leave Notion. It's such a time saver if you're juggling multiple platforms or need to coordinate content across different channels. Repeat these steps for any other social media links you wish to integrate. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, your Notion workspace and social media accounts are now interconnected, bringing an extra layer of organization and efficiency to your digital tasks. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more tips on maximizing your productivity with Notion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.